The Supreme Court is currently hearing arguments in a case that could have significant implications regarding whether former President Donald Trump is immune from criminal prosecution. Representing Trump, John Sauer is making the case that without some form of immunity, future presidents could face overwhelming prosecutions that would hinder their ability to serve effectively. The justices are expected to engage in rapid-fire questioning of Sauer after his opening remarks. Special counsel Jack Smith, on the other hand, has drawn comparisons to the Richard Nixon case, particularly referencing Nixon's need for a pardon from President Gerald Ford in 1974. Smith argues that the Constitution is silent on whether former presidents can claim immunity from criminal prosecution, pointing to historical precedent to support his case. Trump himself has made historic references, some of which have been contentious. He has suggested that previous presidents, like Barack Obama and Franklin D. Roosevelt, could have faced prosecution for their actions but were not. Trump's argument revolves around the idea that granting immunity is essential to prevent politically motivated prosecutions against former presidents. In response to the ongoing trial, Trump has expressed the importance of immunity for future presidents, emphasizing that without it, presidents would become mere figureheads with limited ability to act decisively. He has warned that failure to grant immunity would result in the frequent prosecution of former presidents for their actions. However, a federal appeals court recently ruled that Trump is not immune from prosecution for alleged crimes committed during his presidency, dealing a significant blow to his defense strategy. The ruling was unanimous and underscored the idea that as a private citizen, Trump is subject to criminal liability, regardless of any immunity he may have had while in office. Public opinion on the issue of immunity for Trump is divided, with a majority of respondents in a recent poll expressing opposition to granting him immunity. However, there appears to be a partisan divide, with Republicans more likely to support immunity for Trump specifically compared to the concept of immunity for former presidents in general.